In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Jimdo account. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Jimdo account. So if you haven't yet created an account, just simply click this Start New, it's free button, and then you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. But in this case, I'm going to sign up using my Google. So accept the terms of services, then click continue, and then choose an account that you want to link with your Jimdo account. So after that, click continue, and you will be proceeding to the page where you'll need to choose if you are going to start with a templates or if you want to edit a website via coding. So but in this case, I'm going to choose the template one, which is the create a beautiful website, no coding required. Just click the start now button, and that's it. That's how to make a Jimdo account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.